lucky to have my hands on one so early. Look at this. Metal skid plate on the front. Mercedes symbol on the front. Looking choice.
Unboxing.
I did install a few LEDs in here with the Traxxas light kit. Just so I know when I go off trail here in a few minutes, it's going to be a little bit shadier. I did add some easy pull pins. But man, I gotta say, this thing is absolutely spectacular. All stock, all around. I think we should get it out on the trail and see what it can do. Away we go in low gear, everything's locked. My first crawl right into a huge boulder.
Roller pertama saya dalam hidup.
Clearing it easily though. What a beauty. No snorkel on this yet, so I'm not going to be going deep. Well, and it's too pretty. I'm a little nervous to scratch it up. Look at this shot for scale.
Ni beza dengan TRX biasa.
Just incredible. Not an overly aggressive tire, you could say, but definitely one that I think is going to have plenty of traction. Just looks amazing.
Ada ni ada kat sini.
A lot of people ask me what's the best scale truck to
TRX G500
lineup. You know, it is pretty darn
dia punya body kit tak ada sen.
There are many leaders out there, but I think
Ada
the
dia.
TRX4
Dia ada dua je body kit. Sini ya. Dia punya baju tu.
Little bit of water to wash the tires. Back it up. Oh, did I get one?
Ini manual user dia.
Choose a different line. Inch over.
Ada spana, ada stiker.
Nice and slow. Like I took out my dad's car and I wasn't supposed to. I didn't ask.
Ini dah ada dia.
Drive it like I took it out without asking. Not that I'm
Ni
encouraging.
dia punya receiver. Dia punya AC waterproof. Gear dia ada dua. Slow, laju. Slow dengan laju ada. Ni dia punya AC. Waterproof punya AC. Boleh menyelam. Ini baju dia. Ni yang clear punya.
I believe how much the scale world has taken off in the last 10 years. Really, it's just phenomenal. And the amount of creativity we're seeing from fabricators and,
Boleh sambung
the manufacturers, the products they're coming out
LED
with.
sini.
You know, it's
Spare part lain.
unlimited. See how I
Power line ni.
choosing my line.
Bawah dia punya body. Body saja benda rata. Okay.
Yeah, a little bit more. Want to make sure to be all locked up there.
Ni bawah dia.
Beautiful clearance in the belly area.
Punya gear semua plastik. Kita akan tukar jadi besi semua. Modal dia mungkin 400 lebih 500 gitu ni. Modal dia 400 500. Modal dia punya chassis super dengan lori sebiji. Dalam ni plastik tapi plastik dia lain macam. Ini body.
Okay, so here's something that is very hard to
Dia punya connector again.
this area here,
Tapi connector dia kita kena tukar jadi connector
going up to the top. I
XT90.
never get it going up. A few times coming down I have, but if you fail here, you immediately fall down the abyss. Like, and it ain't easy. It goes down into the wood pile there. And there's not a lot to grab to come back up. But I think
Boleh masuk ya
today,
kita.
I win. Excellent. If I
Dia punya
fail,
tower dia beza sikit dengan Defender. Sebab tower dia tinggi daripada Defender sikit. So dia nak pakai body Defender pun boleh, tapi dia kena tukar dia punya tower. Tak apa rendah sikit dia punya tower, rendahkan sikit. Dia punya tower ni. Ya rendahkan sikit.
it's definitely possible as long as I approach it straight on.
Dia punya body 500.
Oh, straight on. On an angle.
Dengan user dia ada spana. Stiker tak ada. Oh dia tak boleh kelenda, dia boleh kelenda lagi.
Chicken out because failure
Dia punya benda kiri ada dua.
There it is. There it is. Oh, wants to tip over right there.
Ni ambil lagi.